Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to answer all those questions. You are asking, I want to apply in Canada, I want to apply in any other New Zealand, Netherlands, other European countries. I want to apply in this one, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and maybe some Hong Kong. Many questions are like that I'm receiving every day. So how to go for that? I do have BEd, I don't have BEd, all these questions. So I'm going to tell you a trick how to go for it. So before starting the video, if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. I know it was a long gap I took, but I'm back now with the same energy and with the same helping hand. So let's start today's video. Okay, so before answering this question, taking a particular country, I will take you with me, where I started my journey. I was a normal private school teacher in India, and I was looking forward to apply for any, country where I will get, good education for my child. I'm a mother of a now 10-year-old boy. He was 4 when I moved to Dubai. So that was a concern. I was looking for a safe space where I can work, being a woman. Second, was looking for a child education. Third was a concern if my family wants to move with me, my spouse, my parents, my in-laws. So what are, a country where they can come and join and spend some time with me. So all those concerns were there. There was no one to provide any support, and there was no one to guide me. And now we have many teachers, many platforms who are helping, who are guiding, giving you the instructions. That time that facility was also not there. So what did I do? I advise you the same way, because I think if one thing work for one person, the other thing will work for you as well. So if you go, you are asking me for Canada this and that, and for Australia, for Austria, New Zealand, what all rules are there. I'll tell you one thing. Now internet is a big power. So what you can do, make a schedule for you. First of all, decide a country which where you want to move. For me, the preference was I want to move to a country near to India. I was not interested in going to a space which is far. So I can visit frequently, so that was a big concern. That's why I looked out information for Dubai. So that's how I started. So you, first of all, the first thing is you have to finalize the country, like which country or which number of countries you are targeting, you want to move. Okay, then the second thing is check on internet. You will get all the information. You go on Google. Now AI is also there to provide you all the information. So what you need to do, sit, maintain a notebook or a diary, or maybe iPad, or maybe a tablet. So what you need to do, you need to start storing the information. For example, you are looking for one country. Okay, sit down. First of all, what is the requirement, what all I should learn to apply to or to fit into that country. So make a list of that. Third thing, what are the job search engines, which platforms I need to look forward to apply for a resume. Fourth thing, you need to consider that what kind of resume, what basically skills that country required. If I'll talk about Dubai, they were looking have a good IELTS score. So when I started applying, even now I'm learning, I must say many of you will find the grammatical mistakes in my sentences. So I'm not so good in English, but I'm able to convey my content and knowledge. So that time when I started applying, I was not at all good in English. So that was the first criteria I made. Okay, this skill I need to fulfill. So I started learning English. I practice, there is no way, there are 1,000 ways, for me, what was working well, I was writing, I was practicing in the mirror, and that's how I started talking with my colleagues, my family, and that's how I practice, and I'm able to achieve this level now, and I'm still learning. So basically, no one is there to guide you, according to your circumstances, according to your skill, which country is best for you. It's only you who can find out this information. So sit down, first choice, find out country, find out the skills, that country required, which subject are in demand, what kind of resume. Now if you will give AI the PDF file, the chat GPT, that improve my resume, if you want I can make the video regarding that also. So improve my resume and add these skills, or you can say like add these columns and make it like this, so it will modify your resume like that. Now you don't have to go to any platform to do that. So AI is very powerful and it's so helpful if you will take in a positive way, if you will take help in a good direction. So make all these things and figure out. And for me, I decided Dubai because I had some family members who were working here, so I had the background. It is near to India. I can travel easily. Safe place for women. I can work freely without any keeping things in mind. And good for my child as well. There are many Indian curriculum schools here in Dubai, and my child is able to get the same Indian curriculum studies here. So these all were the concern. I've written it down, and then I need to move to Dubai, UAE basically. We all say Dubai, but it is UAE, United Arab Emirates. Okay, so I made this list. Then I figure out the skills, what all skill I had and what all I need to do the improvement. I ticked down all of them, and whatever I was missing, I started working on them. In between, I prepare my CV, resume. In the Google, you can find out what is the best CV for a teacher job in Dubai. You will get many references. So you will prepare your CV accordingly. Then you will start searching for the job search engine, what all those website you need to apply. Like the way LinkedIn is, you'll get plenty of job opportunities in LinkedIn. So you start making contacts in LinkedIn. You start searching the school names in LinkedIn. Update your LinkedIn profile, start searching your school name, join the staff with make connection, and then you will start getting the vacancies. I post many vacancies on my Instagram also, and I do get that from my LinkedIn only, because I made the connections, and even now I'm getting the notifications regarding all the vacancies. Whatever I feel it's good, I just share in my Instagram in my stories. So here is my Instagram account. You can follow me there also to get the new whatever job vacancy I find. I do share there as well. So I hope you get the information how to go. So basically, what is important is you need to take your first step. That first step is very important. Believe me, I was trying for 10 things, and 9 things I just failed, and then there is only one which worked well for me. And now people are saying, okay, she's blessed, she just got this one thing, but they didn't see those 9 things which those all who which didn't work well for me. So that's how everybody is like that. There is no magic pencil which will take you to the next. I'll share one incident with you which maybe explain how you need to go for the job. I was working in India, and I've seen many people with whom I was working. They were much more talented than me and much more higher in skill, and I was looking towards them to learn English. They were so good in English communication, knowledge, content wise, and they are still working there. And I moved here. I don't want to demean what I'm trying to convey the message. If you try, and then only you can move ahead. So they are still working with the less salary, and I did get some other opportunities also. So that is a concern. You need to try. When you will try, you will get a plenty of failures, and you will learn. I went to an interview in a modern school in Barakhamba, Delhi. It was maybe around 2016, I think. And I did face the interview, and when the person was asking the question, I'll tell you, I was aware about what answer I need to give, but because of my poor communication skill, I was not able to convey my best answer what I supposed to. When I came outside, I felt okay, ऐसे बोल देना था, वैसे बोल देना था, but I was not able to speak because they were asking questions in English, and I was not able to answer because I was not good in English. I was trying to make the sentence, and I was scared कुछ गलत तो नहीं निकलेगा, इस vocabulary को, इस word को English में क्या कहते हैं. And I was my mind was engaged that time in making that communication correct. And in all those thoughts, I was not able to give the I can say the exact answer they were looking for. That's how I lost the opportunity, but that worked as a learning lesson for me. And when I came out, I learned, okay, Communication is the problem. I have a good content knowledge, I have my subject strong, but because I'm lacking in communication, many of the opportunities are missing. So I started working on my communication skills. So that's how you need to figure out. Take the first step if you want to grow, if you want, you have something in your mind, not outside India, even inside India, you have something in your mind and you want to achieve that goal. Take that first step, and even I can say everything will not go according to your plan. Maybe you will get many failures, but eventually you will get something good, and which you ever desire for. So that is the answer for all those questions. You have Google, you have internet, you have AI. Use all those things and make things fall in place for you. So that's all for today's video. I hope I'm able to motivate you. I am sure I didn't give much information about the application and all other, because I've shared many videos regarding that, but I think that is the exact answer for all the people who are struggling to get the information. So that's all for today's video. Keep trying, do take your first step, and try here and there. That's how you will get the success. That's all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.